so today we are covering Paradise Estate in Lifecamp, and what I want to do is I'll do a drone shot of the place so you guys can see how it looks like from the air, and then I'll also do a drive-through so you can also see how it looks like, you know, from the ground, because some people say from the air it looks nice, on the floor from the ground it doesn't look so. So I'm going to do both so you guys can get to see it. All right, so stick around, watch this video to an end so you can get to see Paradise Estate Lifecamp. It looks really good, and if it's something that you're interested in, you want to probably get a house here, they have a new building that is upcoming. I've linked up the video as well. You can also check it out and get the prices and all it takes to move into this place. All right, let's go. We just drove in now into the Paradise Estate Lifecamp. So these are how the houses look like. On my right hand side, this area, this is where they have their office. So in case if you're interested, you can actually come here. However, I'm just going to put a number, a contact of one of their sales rep that you can actually contact. Her name is Didi, and she can give you all the information you need to know about getting a house in this place. Okay, so that being said, that's it. So let me just drive you guys through and see how it looks like from the ground. It's just a clear road here, and I can see some trees as well that are planted here. So I think over time those trees are going to grow up, and this place will look very beautiful. They have a transformer as well installed inside the estate. Most of the houses look alike. It's the same design. I think on the right hand side is the same design. I think the ones you have on the right hand side is the semi-detached. I think those should be 3-bedroom semi-detached. Yes, these are semi-detached. Okay, so let's just drive through so you can see how the whole place look like. But to be honest, this place look really beautiful. If you're interested and probably you can't get anyone available now, maybe they're all sold out, then you can as well, you know, go for the second phase, which they are currently selling now, and they say they have a very attractive offer, which you guys can check out. I think I've done a video about it already. Just check I'll link it up, or you can check the description. You can see the video that I've done about it, all the details, all the information you need to know about the offer, what they're giving out now. You can get that in the video. Okay, but just to show you guys how the first one look like. Yeah, so right there I can see this is for sale. This is what I'm talking about. I think somebody bought this and they're trying to sell it. This is the contact details there, so that's it. So you could buy that and rent it out. So it is something that you can invest in. That would be a good investment as well. Okay, now I'm noticing some CCTV cameras over there. I did not really see cameras everywhere in this estate. Maybe that's something they may want to consider to put, like in other estates I've checked before. There are cameras everywhere. However, their security men are very alert. They make sure that they check you and get full details before you can move in and all of that. So I think you can see drive up there, you can see people moving there, they still have houses there. But let's just try to go up this way. See the houses, some have tree at the front, and actually in this Lifecamp area, a lot of houses, a lot of estates are really coming up in this area. So I think this is one area that you might consider moving into in Abuja, in case you're considering relocating and you're coming to Abuja. This is Lifecamp area. I think is a very good area you want to consider. See how they have different roads and all of that, so you can actually go in different places. So what I did was just to drive from the beginning towards the way out. I didn't try to enter the various lanes that they have. So, but okay, so this is just how it looks like on the ground. All the other lanes as well look similar, the same way. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this community. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.